The current is absolutely ripping here today at Black Point. Gonna make some interesting scenes as these captains try and get these boats put up. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are at Black Point. So we've got a whaler making approach. Our crew is getting her ready to go. I mean, we're more set up than most. Looks like we've got lines back in the stern and the bow. And we've got two people on the ready. Let's see if Cap can land her. Getting sideways a little early. This isn't good. The current's going to grab them before they can get to the dock. And Cap's going to either have to power through this or they're going to hit sideways. Cap's torn. He's trying to decide if he's going to leave the helm or not. He gets the push off from the friends, but that's not going to work. Cap's going to have to reline this up. And here we go this time. He's turning a little later in the game. I'm going to have to give her a little power, Cap, if you want to get over there. And he's going to get fortunate. One of his boys is going to jump off the stern, goes for the leap. And now Cap will be able to hand the line off, and they'll be able to get this one tied up. But drama starting early down here at Black Point. And as usual, we've got somebody stuck on the ramp. Gotta be careful here, bro. He's spinning them tires. He's not gaining anything, but he's not losing anything yet. There we go. He's gonna back up, try and get a running start at this one. Gives her hell, gets her over the hump, and he'll get it done. Our crew's been messing with this boat probably for 4 or 5 minutes trying to get it right on the trailer now. And they are not having a ton of success. So we're going for the pullout. Let's see if they've got it right this time. And it looks just a little off. But the driver's still going. He's pulling out. Bro, you're going to have to straighten this one back out. Wait a minute. My man, I think he tossed the line in the boat. Are they just going to leave it? Maybe they gave up. I mean, they've been messing with it for a while now. They've not been able to get it right on the trailer. But it's... would you guys leave the ramp with the boat sitting like this on the trailer? Let me know in the comments below. I just don't know that I would, man. I mean, it's on there, but... yeah, I mean, my guy just put the straps on. They're going to leave with it like this. It just seems like that could be a little risky with the weight off like that. I mean, you're adding extra weight onto one side of the trailer probably. Once again, let me know in the comments below, guys. They're gone. They're leaving. If you would leave with your boat like this on the trailer. It's been a little slow here at Black Point today, so let's go to our neighbor at the north and let's see what's going on up at Bryant Park and see if we got a little more action going on up there today. And here comes our crew making approach on the dock. You look a little off, Cap. You're going to need to brake check that. No, we're just going to run right into the dock. Rubbin's docking. And now he's going to turn hard in. Now you better brake check, Cap. And there we go. He gets the brake check back down. But of course, stern's coming in, bow's going out. Now this is a little different than most of the ramps we cover because they've got that long straight-in approach, and honestly this typically doesn't work out well for us because most of the boaters, they can get a good line, and they've got a long way to maintain that line, so once they get it figured out, they're typically already to the dock, but our Cap just wasn't able to hold it the whole way through. So he's trying to get it back over. And it looks like the wind and current's kind of coming into the dock, which is probably where he got off in his approach. And fortunately, he's going to get lucky, and it's going to push him in here at the end. And this is another one of those things that Bryant Park kind of kills us on, is everybody walks it up. So this is more of a walk and load. We don't see a whole lot of power loading here, as most people will literally just grab the lines and load it right on the trailer. So I'm a little surprised we don't see more of that at 79th and Black Point as well. But we'd see more tire spinning if we saw that too. And our guy, I'm a little confused by this one. So my man's walking up the trailer, trying to load this. Didn't bother using the lines, no power load as we mentioned earlier, but my man's wearing jeans and shoes walking around on the trailer, which just sounds uncomfortable. And here you can see right here, he's walking up the trailer, so just a strange way of doing this one, I guess. I mean, this one I probably would have power loaded, jumped off the bow. Especially in jeans. That just sounds like an uncomfortable ride home if my feet and my legs get wet at this point in time. I know it's kind of a silly one. But it's also risky walking around on this trailer like this. I mean, walking around on the trailer, you could easily slip, get hurt. Definitely not a plan I recommend to anybody. So it looks like he's got the bow eye on. He's struggling to get it up. Like I said, the power load might have been a little simpler for him here. And I think he was trying to stay dry, but I think he's just realized that's not going to happen. Oh, yep, he's getting in the water. This is going to suck riding home like this, man. Now his shoes are soaked. His pants are wet. This is just going to make for a miserable ride home. I think he was trying to stay dry doing it. That's why he was walking on the trailer, but it's just not going to work. Our crew's backing down. But I saw them pull the bow winch off up top, and nobody's walking down the dock with it. And he just releases. We're going to see the pro solo launch here. He even pulls forward a little bit to get it off the trailer. And man, done like a pro right there. This guy's given lessons all week if anybody wants to learn how to launch their boat solo. I mean, that one was pretty slick right there, but he should be good. He's going to get this one tied off and be good to go and get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.